Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to link two sheets in Smartsheet and easily connect Smartsheet sheets. If you're someone who uses Smartsheet regularly, you know how crucial it is to keep your data synchronized and up to date across multiple sheets. Today, we're going to walk through this process step by step, which will help streamline your workflow and ensure that all your information is consistently updated. This can be a game changer for anyone managing multiple projects or datasets. Alright, let's get started by understanding the basics of what we are trying to achieve. When you link two sheets in Smartsheet, you're essentially creating a direct connection between them. This allows data from one sheet, known as the source sheet, to be displayed and updated automatically in another, called the destination sheet. This is incredibly useful for maintaining data consistency and saves you from the hassle of manual updates. Now let's dive into the detailed steps. First, you need to open the destination sheet. This is the sheet where you want the data from another sheet to appear. Think of this as the place where all your important data converges, making it easier to manage everything in one spot. Once you have your destination sheet open, navigate to the specific cell or cells where you want this incoming data to be displayed. It's important to make a careful selection here, especially if you're handling a large amount of data. You want to ensure there's enough room to accommodate everything. Once you've chosen your cells, right-click on them to bring up the context menu. From the options listed, look for Link from Cells in Other Sheet. Clicking this option will start the linking process. At this point, Smartsheet will prompt you to select your source sheet. This is an important step because the source sheet is where your original data resides. Essentially, this sheet feeds the information to your destination sheet, so choose wisely. Browse through your sheets and select the one that contains the data you need. After selecting the source sheet, you'll need to specify exactly which cells you want to link. You can either click and drag to select multiple cells or choose them individually, depending on what you require. Being precise at this stage is crucial, as it prevents the need for adjustments later on. Once your cells are selected, click the Create Link button. This action finalizes your setup and establishes the connection between the sheets. Once the link is set up, you'll notice a small blue triangle in the linked cells of your destination sheet. This visual cue indicates that these cells are now connected to another sheet. A fantastic feature of Smartsheet is that any changes made in the source sheet will automatically reflect in the destination sheet. Just make sure to refresh your sheet for the updates to appear. This dynamic updating ensures that you always have the most current data on hand, which is essential for effective project management. And there you have it. You've successfully linked two sheets in Smartsheet. By using this powerful feature, you can maintain data integrity across your projects and boost productivity. Your team members will also benefit by having access to the latest data, keeping everyone aligned and informed. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to link two sheets in Smartsheet and easily connect Smartsheet sheets. If you want more videos like how to link two sheets in Smartsheet and easily connect Smartsheet sheets, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Smartsheet tips and tricks in future sessions.